sorry, I need to.
We are proud to present a love story from past to present, Panaginip. Matagal akong nanaginip at pagising ko para akong nagluluksa sa pagmamahal na hindi ko pa naman nahanap. Tila ba'y may nakalimutan ako, may naiwan, at may biglang bigat ng mga balikat na hindi ko maintindihan. Na sa sobrang bigat, masakit.
Babe, ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Umaga na, oh. Bakit hindi ka pa rin nakakapagbilis? Nag-umusal ka na ba? Uy, bakit hindi ka makausap ng maayos? Akin na nga yan.
Ano ba?
Ibigay mo yan sa akin.
Bigay mo nga sa akin yan?
Bakit ko ibibigay sa'yo to?
Anong pakialam mo?
Anong pakialam, Joseph? Ito ba yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ka makausap ng maayos? Kasi si Leonor pa rin yung nasa cellphone mo? Sabihin mo nga sa akin, Joseph, siya pa rin ba yung mahal mo, ha?
Ano pinagsasabi mo?
Anong pinagsasabi, Joseph? Diyos ko naman, girlfriend mo ko. Ako yung nandito. Pero bakit si Leonor pa rin yung nasa isip mo?
Oo na, Zane. Siya pa rin ang mahal ko hanggang ngayon.
Eh, paano ako, Joseph? Sa ilang buwan nating pagsasama, paano? Nasaan ako dun?
Hindi ko alam, Zane. Naguguluhan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon.
Lintik na palusot yan, Joseph! Isa, dalawa, tatlo, paulit-ulit mo na lang akong sinasaktan. At paulit-ulit mo akong pinapaikot pero tinatanggap pa rin kita, Joseph! Mahal kita, ano ba?
Mabuti pa maghiwalay na lang tayong dalawa. Kung magkakasakitan lang tayong dalawa.
Joseph! Huwag mo akong iwan, please!
Umalis ka dyan!
Joseph!
Umalis ka!
Anong pinagsasabi, Joseph? Diyos ko naman, girlfriend mo ko. Ako yung nandito. Pero bakit si Leonor pa rin yung nasa isip mo?
Oo na, Zane. Siya pa rin ang mahal ko hanggang ngayon.
Eh, paano ako, Joseph? Sa ilang buwan nating pagsasama, paano? Nasaan ako dun?
Hindi ko alam, Zane. Naguguluhan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon.
What do you need?
We are looking for a lodging house here in Brussels.
Oh, okay, come in.
Thank you.
I am Katrina Kubid, the landlady of the lodging house.
I am Dr. Jose Rizal from Philippines. Can we get a bed space here? Your place is quite peaceful and I think this is a perfect place for me to continue my book. By the way, this is Jose Albert.
Hi, I am friend of Rizal.
Are you a writer?
Yes, I'm a Filipino writer.
I am Zuzana Kobe, her younger sister.
And I'm currently writing El Provisterismo, a sequel from my novel Noli Me Tangere that first published in Berlin, Germany in 1887. I am an ophthalmologist also and I can take care of your eyes, Zane.
Oh, you're such a skillful and enigmatic Filipino writer and a doctor.
Thank you so much, Zane. Looking forward to tell you a lot of things. Your older sister would let us have a bed space here in your lodging area.
Of course, you're welcome here. Please follow us.
Please, let me carry your luggage.
Thank you.
Okay, Rizal, this is your room. This is your own bed. This is your cabinet for your own stuff. That's your free phone for your friend Albert and also cabinet. We will talk other things tomorrow.
Thank you, sisters, for your welcoming us in your lodging house.
You're welcome.
Oh, good morning everyone. Oh, you're already here.
Baka Albert. Aga pa akong nagising para magkape.
Ba talaga?
What did he say?
He said that he woke up early to get his breakfast.
Oh, that's interesting. Can you teach me?
Yes.
By the way, I need your copy.
Oh, thank you, Suzanne. I'll make up some time to teach you Tagalog.
Oh, Rizal. Albert, what are you doing?
We need to go to process my book.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Suzanne. Let's go, Albert.
Teka lang, Albert. Parang nagugustuhan ka na ni Suzanne. Ramdam mo ba?
Hindi yan ang pakay ko dito sa Brasas, Albert, kundi ang matapos ko ang pagsusulat ng aking mga nobela.
Tila ba'y nagugustuhan ka na niya? Ramdam mo ba?
Hindi ko mawari sapagkat ang tumatakbo sa aking isipan ay ang kapakanan ng ating bayan at mga kapwa Pilipino.
Siyempre, si Leonor Rivera.
Ikaw talaga yung mapagbiro, kaibigan. Halina't umalis para makabalik ka agad.
Some groceries tomorrow. Albert, Rizal, you two are back.
Yes, Suzanne. I'm going to the room and take a rest.
Okay. Rizal, do you want something to eat? I have chips here.
Sure, I will change my clothes and I will back and bring some books for you.
Okay, I will wait you here.
Thank you. What do you like?
20% we have to buy some groceries.
Here is Suzanne. Choose the book that you like.
Seems interesting. Can I have this one?
Yes, sure.
Sister, Rizal, excuse me, I have something to do.
Oh,
Okay. Can you teach me some Tagalog language?
sure, Suzanne.
Okay.
I can teach you some simple words of Tagalog language.
What is it?
For example, kamusta?
Kamusta
Yes.
means
Kamusta means how are you?
how are you?
Yes.
Oh, that's interesting. How about I love you?
I love you in Tagalog word is mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Yes.
Anyway, I have chips here.
Thank you for the chips. Such a lovely lady.
You're welcome.
Ko inakalang napasubok mo ang pusong sumugal sa taong tulad mo. O tila tala makapiling ka na sana ikaw ang pinapantasya sa bawat kanta. Daliri ko'y di ko na madama. Ang mga liriko ay nakakatugma sa aking isang daang tula. Parang isang pelikula na tanging ikaw lamang ang paksa. O tinuturi ko, o ang itinuturing akin. Pinipili, ikaw ang tangi, simulang hindi magwawakas. Tila tala makapiling ka na sana ikaw ang pinapantasya sa bawat kanta. Daliri ko'y di ko na madama. Ang mga liriko ay nakakatugma sa aking isang.
Oh, hi, Zane.
Hi. Where are you going?
I will be gone for some weeks, so please watch over our lodging house and please do clean also. I will visit mother and father in the other town, so I will be gone maybe for so long. So please collect also the rents of our tenants.
Okay, I'll also do some groceries and also get the money from the collection of rent.
Take care here and goodbye.
Okay, see you. Bye. Hey, what are you doing?
Hello, Zane. I am writing a letter for someone in the Philippines. I am informing Antonio about my life here in Brussels. About going to clinic, working, studying, and reading and writing. And also practicing my salary performance and living.
Wow, that's a good thing, Rizal, but aren't you too busy? Please have some fun sometime.
But I can't do that to Zane because I'm too busy writing El Fili for contribution for La Solidaridad, and I'm worried for my family. As the Calamba agrarian trouble keep going and worsening.
To listen your worries, Rizal, please disregard your rent until now. I can stand watching you in that state, and I hope it could help you out and listen your worries.
Thank you, Zane. It means a lot to me.
Anything for you, Rizal.
Thank you, Zane.
I went to my uncle's house yesterday, so I didn't visit you. What happened to you, Zane?
I'm okay, Anna.
Just tell me. I'm your friend. Maybe I could help.
I'm in love with someone, Anna, and he doesn't love me back. He's still into his ex.
We're talking about your tenant?
Of course not. We're not talking about Rizal, okay?
Come on, Zane. He is only man you were with all the time. And it's impossible that he is who you are referring to. Also, it's impossible to not to fall in love with him. And he is such a standard.
I know, Anna, but what should I do?
See? I knew it. And darling, confess your feeling to him. What if he goes to the Philippines without just telling him? How you feel, right?
I'm late. I need to hurry. Oh, Zane.
Hi. Can we talk for a while, Rizal?
I would love to, but I'm busy right now.
Okay, I will wait for you here.
Okay, Zane. I need to go right now, huh?
Take care.
What are you doing here in my room, Zane?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do it.
I forgot something. Why are you messing with my things?
Who's do you know, Rizal?
She is my greatest love in the Philippines.
Do you have communication with her?
Yes, I wrote her a letter.
How about it? I can't stop myself from wondering who is this fucking girl that up until now you still can't forget her.
You don't understand, Zane.
Didn't make me understand, Rizal. What that she has that I do not have. I thought you were so fucking smart. How come you did not do that?
I like you. I love you.
I still love her. She is my greatest love.
And I don't think I've ever loved anyone the way I love you. How about me, Lisa? Why can't you love me? Why can't you do the same?
No, I can do that, Suzanne.
You were so fucking kind to me. I'm always by your side. Why her?
I love her.
Was it so hard for you to love me, Lisa? Please, I will do everything. Please just give me a chance to love your son. Please.
No,
Please,
Suzanne.
I love
I'm
you
sorry.
so much. I love you so
I'm sorry. I still love her. Still love her.
Kahit sa dulo ako at ikaw ikinuhit na ng tadhana na tayong dalawa ay mag-iisa.
Morning, sister. Oh, my dear sister, you're awake. Oh, why are your eyes swollen? Did you cry?
Of course not. I'm okay. Where's Rizal?
Huh? He didn't tell you he's leaving?
Bill? I don't know what you're talking about, sister.
He already say goodbye, Suzanne. He already left with Albert.
What?
Suzanne! What? What happened when I'm away? Am I missing something?
Why didn't you wake me up? You left without telling me?
Suzanne? What happened? Suzanne? 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 Suzanne! Wake up! Suzanne? Oh my god. Suzanne! Suzanne, wake up!
I'm really sorry to say this, but Miss Suzanne's heart is too weak. I already warned you of this, Miss Catherine, that Miss Suzanne is incapable of doing things that she was doing before. As much as we want her to do to make her life longer, we can't do that. Her life right now is at stake. I hope you are aware of that, Miss Catherine.
What we can do, Doc? Doc, what we can do?
I don't think it's possible to make her life longer. We can still find a cure for her disease. I'm sorry, Miss Catherine. Please excuse me.
I miss you, Suzanne. I miss you, my sister. Suzanne? Suzanne? Are you okay? Suzanne? Suzanne? Doc! Doc! Doc, help me! Suzanne? 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 Help my sister, Doc! Suzanne? Suzanne? Nurse! Suzanne! Suzanne!
1, 2, 3.
Suzanne!
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Doc.
Doc! I'm sorry. She didn't make it. Time of that, 3:30.
Singling ng langit na
magabag sa iyong isipan, Joseph?
Ang taong muli kong iniwan para sa pagmamahal sa aking bansang sinilangan.
Si Suzanne Jacobe ba? Paano na si Leonor Rivera?
Hindi, sapagkat gumising na lamang ako siyang aking mahal at nagsisising hindi nasabi ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Ngayon, mainit na ang mga mata sa akin ng mga Espanyol.
Bakit hindi mo lamang balikan sa Brussels upang hindi pa huli ang lahat?
Ilang buwan na ang nakalipas. Marahil, nakalimutan na ako ng binibini.
Rizal, what are you doing here?
I want to see Miss Suzanne, Miss Catherine.
Let's go inside.
Thank you.
I didn't expect you to come back here, Rizal.
I need to see your sister, Miss Catherine.
Why? Why do you need my sister?
I need to say something to her. It is very important, Miss Catherine. Please, let me see her.
It's too late, Rizal.
What? But why?
She's dead. She died 2 weeks after you left. She died because of you. I am mad to you, Rizal. But she told me that she loved you even in her dying state. She left a letter for you.
Thank you.
Rizal, months had passed, yet I'm still there, waiting for you to come back. How many times do I need to see you looking at her picture while thinking when it will be me? Because I'm so tired waiting for that to happen. I'm sick and probably will never have a chance to read this letter. I have forgiven you for not loving me the way you want to. I can imagine my life would end up so soon that I already accept it. The months I have spent with you before I died was so amazing that I didn't expect it to happen. I love you until my last breath, and I will wait for you in the next lifetime, hoping you will love me there more than the way I love Leonor. My love for you was so great, Rizal, and our love will return again. I love you. Love, Suzanne Jacobe.
Huliin si Rizal!
Good morning, Doc. Good morning, ma'am. Doc, kamusta pong kalagayan ng anak kong si Zane? In our result, ma'am, we find out that a neurological injury from drowning causes the same to comatose, lacking brain cell reflexes. Also, we find out that only a few additional minutes of hypoxia, it may result in persistent coma. In short, Ms. Zane is experiencing a submersion fluids that result in the body and brain fluid. But her body temperature is normal. Masyado po kasi maraming tubig na pumasok sa kanyang katawan at nawalan po siya ng oxygen, at mabuti lang po nakasurvive ang kanyang brain, and this result of coma.
Gawin niyo po lahat daw para gumising at maging okay siya daw.
Makakaasa po kayo, ma'am.
Thank you daw.
Okay, ma'am.
Anak, Zane, gumising ka na please. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala kasakit na makita kang walang malay at hindi makakausap. Gumising ka na please. Alam ko, naririnig mo ako. Kaya sana gumising ka na. Dahil marami pa kaming naghihintay sa'yo, Zane. Please.
Dok! Tulong, Dok!
Dok!
Dok! Tulong!
Dok!
Dok!
Excuse. Zane.
Ano?
Kamusta siya,
She's
Dok?
okay now, but I will check her vital sign.
Maraming salamat, Dok.
Gawin mong lahat, Dok. Okay siya, Dok. Gumising siya, Dok.
Sana gumising na si Zane.
Kaya nga, tita, tagal na natin dito eh.
Miss na natin siya.
Sana lumakas agad siya.
Zane?
Dok?
Dok!
Dok, tulong po!
Dok!
Zane?
Dok, excuse me.
Dok, gawin mo lahat, Dok. Maging okay siya, Dok.
Tawad sa mga kasalanan na gawa ko sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Sino yung nasa panaginip mo?
Ikaw.
Kaya namang makayanan kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot dumaraan, pag natuyo na ang luha, parang naipan ang iyong kandila. Init ay wala, hindi na pangako mo nung una, tiwala'y iingatan.
Gumising ka na, please. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala kasakit na makita ka ng mga malay. Hindi makakausap. Gumising ka na, please. Alam ko, marunong na ako. Kaya sana gumising ka na.
Panaginip lang pala.
Baka